Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which is located right over here. And from here, tap on the three dots and go to Import and Export. So first, we're gonna copy contacts from, so our contacts are located on the SIM card, and it looks like it's selected by default, so let's tap on Next. And then we're gonna copy them to our phone. Now there usually would be more options if you would be logged into something like Google, that would be visible here too, but at the moment I only have one, so phone contacts, let's tap on Next. And then you have all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, as you can see, based on the number and a SIM icon on the side of the letter. So select the ones that you want to move. You can either select all of them or just couple. So you just simply tap on the mark right here like so, and once you select all the ones that you want, tap on the OK button and you're done. And as you can see, now there's a couple more contacts that, for instance, don't have any number next to it. Back. So as you can see, there is, for instance, info line, and there is one, and then below that there is again the same thing without any number. Also right here, as you can see. So those are the contacts that are located right now on the phone itself, and if I were to take out the SIM card, these contacts would remain, while every other contact with the number would just kind of disappear from here. And that is how you would import contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.